Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go about rotating your Android tablet screen, and the example I'm using here is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So to look at these settings, just drag down the top screen area and then drag down again, and right here there is an auto rotate button. So if this is turned on, that means whenever you flip your tablet, the screen should automatically rotate. So let's see if we can do that here, rotating the screen, and then you can see how it changes, and then rotating it back the other way, and then it changes automatically. So if you don't want this to happen anymore, you just go in and you click the auto rotate button so that it's no longer selected. And right now it's in portrait mode, so that's what it'll be locked to. So now when you change the screen, it's going to stay in that portrait mode. And you can also lock it in landscape, so I'll show you quickly how to do that. So we turn the auto rotate back on, and then we're going to change it over so that it's in landscape mode. So now when we pull down the top area and we turn off auto rotate, now it says landscape, and that's what it's going to be locked to. So that's how you go about changing the screen rotation settings inside your Android tablet. I hope this video is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.